Hello my friends and welcome to today's practice. Today I have a full body mobility routine for beginners. The exercises are easy to do, they are also fun to do. So we're gonna do full body starting from the feet, work our way up. So if you need something to get your body moving first thing in the morning, this is the exercises to do. But before we begin, if you enjoy and get value from my YouTube videos, consider joining my membership site. You get access to over 600 videos. You also have an exclusive content like seasonal Qigong, prepare you for autumn or winter, and of course, weekly live class where you can join a growing community of wonderful people from all over the world and practice together. You can find more information how to join in the description below this video. Go ahead and get ready and let's move some Qi. We begin in a standing position, taking a moment to adjust our alignment. This is one of the most fundamental things you want to do as a beginner, with your feet firmly planted on the ground, softening through the joints, unlocking the hips, bringing the tailbone a little bit forward to help you relax and open through the lower back area. So just make that little adjustment to make your lower back feel a little flatter, a little bit more neutral. Keeping your spine nice and long, your shoulders relaxed. Bringing the chin slightly in to help us open through the back of the neck. And mentally reach upwards through the crown of the head, as if there is a thread attached to the very top of your head, lightly pulling you upwards. At the same time, grounded and well established through your feet and your lower body. And let's begin by taking a couple of deep, mindful breaths to settle in. Inhaling through the nose and exhale out the nose or out the mouth. Inhale. And exhale. We begin to draw our attention to the body, to our breath. A few more times, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale. Exhale to soften. Once more. And easy long exhale. From here, drawing our attention to the feet, we're going to do calf raises or heel raises to activate our feet, to strengthen our ankle and all the muscles in our feet. Begin to notice the physical sensations down your feet, around your ankle. Put some weight, put some pressure on your toes to stimulate important acupressure points and open up through the meridians. And once more, up and down. From here, go ahead and rock from side to side. Make sure you feel comfortable and secure doing that. Providing deeper massage, deeper stimulation to the outside and the inside of your feet. Well done. Last one. Good. And then bringing it all together, we're going to roll. This is a very good exercise to keep your feet active, improving circulation. Just roll in 360 degrees. Good. And a few times the other direction. Well done. Shake if you need to. Keep the energy, keep the blood moving. From here, we're going to do the knees. And for the knees, we're going to go up and down. Well done. Change in direction. Feel free to pause the video if you need a bit more time to warm up your knee joints. Good. And then coming down, just go ahead and circle outwards. And then circle in. Be gentle, be sensitive, especially first thing in the morning. Good. Once more. Gently push your knees to the back, forward and up. From here, we go into the hip rotation. I can feel the sun trying to come through. We had quite a bit of rain last night and this morning, so this is a nice break. Keeping the movement, keeping the motion nice and round. Making it smooth, especially the corners. Well done. Once more, change direction. I have Altai here with me. Hello, buddy. How you doing? How you doing? Tak, focus. Okay, just a few more times. And coming back. Okay, lower body done. From here, we're going to gently warm up the torso, the muscles of the abdomen, the core, the lower back, the spine. And a few more times. Good, coming back. From here, the lateral stretch. Paying attention on the spine, activating the obliques as well. This is very good to do before breakfast. Oh, very nice. Okay, that's okay. And last two. Coming back. Good. Bringing the hands in. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, tucking everything under. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, curl. Couple more. Well done. Last one. Inhale, open up. Exhale, close in. Inhale, stretch and relax. From here, bringing the hands in, working the joints in the upper body. Begin pumping your fingers. Make sure that each finger is folding properly. Sometimes it's easy to just flip, but make sure you get that activation through every joint. A few more times. Stretch and relax. For the wrist, go ahead and hide your thumb, roll in the wrist. A few more. And then change in direction. Good. Once more. For the elbows, keep it simple. Fold and extend. Once more. And then repeat the opposite direction. Last one. Good. Let it rest. Going into the shoulders. Once more to the back. And then shifting forward. You want a good range of motion, really feeling, connecting to those muscles of the upper back, upper chest, upper arm, all the muscles around the shoulder. Well done. Awesome. Let it rest. Finishing with the neck exercises. And for the neck, we want to remember that 70% of the effort is good enough. Simply observing the muscles lengthening, shortening. Once more, up and down, left and right. Here, I recommend bringing your chin a little bit in, allowing yourself to lengthen through the back of the neck. And a very good trick that I recently learned from one of the physiotherapists that came to my retreat is when you turn to the back, follow with your eyes and make your eyes go past, so looking far into the distance. And that will increase your range of motion even for a little bit. So this is also a good way to exercise the eyes. Couple more times. Just follow further with your eyes. See how you feel. Last one. Good. And we're going to finish by drawing a circle about the size of a nice melon, up and down. We don't need a big circle. Certainly want to avoid throwing our head to the back. Again, paying attention to the muscles. Good. And then a few times the other way. Nice. Last one. Good. Coming back. Move around. So we've done all the major muscle groups. We targeted pretty much every joint in our body. So let's take a couple of deep breaths again. Inhale, open it up. And feel a light stretch all the way up through your fingertips. And then release it all down, softening into the body. We'll do it again. If you feel comfortable, you can come up on your toes, give yourself a good stretch. And then soften it down. And we'll do it again. Open it up. And release. Notice how you feel. Here is the sun. Beautiful morning. Just taking the time. So appreciate this moment to connect to the body. Feel the circulation. Feel the energy moving. Welcoming a new day with a smile, with a positive energy, good intention. Thank you very much for practicing with me today, for coming in, for finding the time for yourself. I wish you a good, sunny day. And as always, keep on practicing.